Let's see how to knit the ribbing pattern. Ribbing is an alternation of knit and purl stitches. Here's how it looks in knitted fabric. We alternate one knit stitch and one purl stitch. Knit stitches look like V-stitch, and purl stitches look like bumps. Now, let's see how we knit it. We knit one knit stitch. Here we have purl stitches. Knit one purl stitch. Here we have knit stitches. So we knit one knit stitch. Here are purl stitches, so we knit one purl stitch. By alternating knit and purl stitches like this, we create a 1x1 ribbing. There are also ribbings, like 2x2, where you knit 2 knit stitches, or 3x3, where you knit 3 knit stitches and 3 purl stitches. The same applies to the reverse side. You follow the pattern. Look where the knit stitches are, and knit them as knit stitches. Where the purl stitches are, knit them as purl stitches.